India is a land where Sufism has not only flourished in its true spirit, but has also become a way of integrating different religious communities. The unity of these myriad faiths can be very well witnessed at the Dargahs of Sufi saints. So today we take you to Dargah of Baba Ishq Madina Sahib in Visakhapatnam city of Andhra Pradesh that has been serving as a bridge between different castes and communities.
Visakhapatnam is a city widely recognized for its rich culture, heritage and history. It is also known as the City of Destiny or the Jewel of the East Coast of India. The city has three picturesque hillocks, each with its own religious significance. One of them is the Baba Ishq Madina Dargah or the Dargah Konda Hill, which is visited by people of different religious communities.
ये बाबा का दरगाह का बहुत करामत है. हमें हर महीना 4 महीने 5 महीने के बाद आते ही रहते हैं. उनका फातिहा दिलाते रहते हैं. बहुत करामत है बाबा का. हिंदुओं भी आते हैं. इनका कौन उन्होंने मांग लिए तो उनका ज़रूर दुआ आमीन करते हैं.
It's been said that Baba Ishq Madina Wali came from Makkah Madina along with some of his followers and settled down on the hill around 600 years ago. It's been said that he appeared in Aurangzeb's stream and purposely summoned him. The Dargah has been standing still for the last 600 years amidst all natural calamities like the cyclone Hudhud.
मदीने से आके इधर में रुके. अच्छा है ना. से बाबा औरंगजेब नवाब को जो बोलना है औरंगजेब नवाब को बोले तो सब उन्होंने इंतज़ाम करे. हिंदी लोग आते हैं, तेलुगु आता है, सब जाता आएगा.
It's been said that the saint has always worked for the welfare of humanity and the people who visit the Dargah gets their wishes fulfilled.